Oh, here's my garden now. But there's a lot of that I want to do this year. Basically get rid of all the things that are sticking up. Like these raised beds, they're gone. I don't want to use them anymore. That post there that was holding up the asparagus, it's gone. I covered it with leaves too. So hopefully when spring comes, there won't be a lot of grass out here. I can just push it aside and dig up the areas. That compost tumbler has never actually worked very well. I'm just going to get rid of it. And these are just wood chips I never spread out. Once they're frozen, I can't get them out. But yeah, this is gone. It's been more trouble than what it was worth. I'll leave the bird feeder there definitely. But everything else, I'm just going to go back to gardening in the soil like I used to. And digging up rows with my spade every year. These leaves I put down should make pretty good soil though, by the time spring comes. I think that's a blueberry. I ordered a bunch more blueberries. I got plenty of strawberries. They're all over the place in here. Even over there. They keep growing everywhere. Yeah, these raised beds are gone. They're way too much trouble to keep wet or moist even. So I suppose if you had, I think a lot of people that used raised beds, they have automatic drip systems, and I don't know. Besides the fact I can't afford that crap, I don't think I want that kind of crap in my garden anyway. I might do what you might call a cottage garden, which would be having tomatoes and flowers and peppers and everything all mixed together. Maybe have some companion planting. Marigolds are good for tomatoes and things like that. Just kind of mix all the flowers and vegetables together. I'm thinking I might do that. And I guess when the spring gets here, we'll see. But right now, that's what my plans are. I was happy to get these leaves. My neighbor raked her yard a couple days ago when there was no snow. She just bought the house, and the people that lived there before she didn't rake it too much. I mean, they cut the grass, but they just didn't rake leaves. And so it's been sitting there for a while this summer empty with all the leaves falling. So she just raked them up, and then she gave them to me after I asked for them. So yeah, these leaves are a great boon to the garden. Alright, well, I think it's only about 5 degrees out here. Feels like 5. It ain't much more than that. So I'm going inside. But this is a nice flower bed here too. But I put seeds in, and it did real well. And the ones that are perennial, I'm hoping will come back. And I can then dig those up and put them out front. And I'm just going to keep on planting mixed flowers over here. It'll have to be ones that can grow, that like the shade. But